What's going on, y'all? It's Go Cardo Go back again with the scat. You see it on the wall. Anyways, we're back again. We're about to shoot a legendary video with this right here. So stay tuned. Alright, so basically we got something in from, let's see, which company? This one or that one? Which one should we do today? Let's switch it up, guys. We're gonna go ahead and install something in here. We got this here from, let me see here, I'm gonna try to peek at this real quick. We got this here from ZL1 Addons. I'm gonna put the link down here or somewhere right here. Nonetheless, it's gonna be right in the descriptions below. What we got here is we got a wicker bill, and I got my homie coming through to install it for me. So you guys make sure you stay tuned. It's gonna be a super good video. Definitely get some other fellow YouTubers out there, get them out there is what I've decided to do now, and at the same time show you guys how to put a wicker bill on. It's gonna be new to me, so stay tuned. Oh yeah.
Line it up first.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Before you begin, let YouTube know Instagram, YouTube name, where to follow you at.
Yep. Instagram is awesome_RT_17, and then YouTube. I actually just got my URL, hit 100 subscribers.
Nice.
But so it's just /AwesomeRT.
Make sure you guys subscribe to /AwesomeRT. I'm gonna put the information down below and right here. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Do this.
So everything should be in there that they gave me at least.
Yep.
Looks like they have the rivets and everything in there.
Should have the rivets, instructions. All my ZL1 stuff is really well packaged.
That's what I've been noticing. Like all their packaging is like they want to make sure it gets to you. It's not messed up or anything.
Yeah. Their customer service is a good job because I ran like where technically the kit I ordered was for the scat packs and stuff.
Okay.
So I called them and they actually sent me a new pair of rear skirts without an extra hole in them, so it worked out well.
Definitely, those I definitely need to get to.
Yes.
I want to get the whole underbody thing like you got on yours. Yeah.
One extra. It's
Okay. So we got one mistake. We need.
One time, screw it up.
Oh yeah.
The first one's a 3/8. I started with a smaller one.
Kind of gradually grew.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right. Step one.
Tape everything up. Nice. Yeah, the camera would be a perfect place.
Yeah, that's because I had to go off this little dot.
Okay.
Because I ain't got the rear camera yet.
That's what I did on my last charger.
What,
I had to put something on there, yeah, and I remember the dots on there, and I used that.
Dots, very, very useful. This is me being OCD.
Hey, whatever works, man.
Gotta be OCD about it. No, but there is a question for you actually, because there's two sides to this thing. Which side do you want it facing?
Well,
out? I don't remember what I think. I glossy on the.
You got gloss. You have gloss on your outside. Well, because yours is glossy, and if it looks perfect like that too.
I did gloss back here.
Okay.
I did flat black up here.
In case you guys are wondering, that's where you follow him at. Awesome RT_17. Yes, sir. I will probably honestly do the glossy on the inside and the
Flat black back here.
yeah.
So how far up do you want it?
Just a tad bit up from the bottom, just to where it's barely
visible.
Yeah, close to the bottom here.
Yep.
But not really touching about there. Would be cool. Yeah.
Right
Yeah. I can hold that for you.
Yeah. Just gotta mark the first one.
Oh, okay. Nice. It's all good. I can get another spoiler lift. Anything goes wrong.
I've got one in my shed. I can drum back in 15 minutes while I'm done.
My last charger didn't even come with a spoiler. I actually put that one on there.
Did you?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll step up. We'll just start with a 1/4.
Okay.
I'm just gonna step up to the larger one, just for precautionary measures.
That works. It works for me.
Now this next step, you have to hold your breath.
Okay. Oh, it's when you drill into it. It's all good.
For the first one, please.
Oh, yeah.
So that's really what I did. And it worked out. Because I was worried about, I've seen a few people do it where they would drill all the holes.
Yeah, that would be.
Prior to installing, and then they ended up with like a bow. I was like, so I did this hole first. Go install the rib nut, drill it in there, and then line it up.
Okay.
For the rest of it, so shouldn't be too bad.
I think that works a lot better doing it that way, so that way you know each one kind of lines up.
And then two, what I did, when I did mine, I didn't drill in towards like this.
I was thinking that too, kind of straight. Yeah.
And I had to end up re-drilling that hole out a little bit. So.
Yeah, I've seen some other guys do it, and they're kind of doing it up. I was like, that's awfully close.
Yeah, like,
coming out the other way.
Hold breath.
It's all good, man. It's all good. Do your thing. Nice. I was gonna say, don't worry about the cleanup on the bottom. I gotta clean this anyways.
Yeah, well, I got lots of clean stuff. We gotta clean this stuff. We're car guys.
Oh yeah.
We're good.
That's it.
3/8.
Oh god, my spoiler!
Oh no. Yeah, these are awesome. In case you haven't used one of these before.
I haven't. I thought it was pretty cool the way it is. I'm like,
I never seen one of these until I've done rivets, you know,
Yeah.
orders, but just screws this thing on here.
okay.
I usually clamp it down so I got small hands, but and then as you squeeze, it just compresses just like a rib nut.
Okay.
And then, but it leaves the screwable piece.
That's pretty dope.
Pretty good. Ordered it.
Heck yeah, I definitely need to invest in one.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. I mean, I found other uses for it, like putting on the side skirt and stuff that worked out well.
Man, that gloss black looks really good on there.
I'm gonna still paint it, but
Yeah.
figured I'll wait till after I move.
Yeah.
Now, see, some of these I think that was both sides were gloss.
Really?
Yeah.
Both sides?
Both sides are gloss. Man.
Dog life!
ZL1.
Right.
I need a dual gloss.
Oh yeah. Nice. Lining up the rest pretty much.
Yeah, getting it lined up.
Okay.
Exactly level all the way around.
Okay.
So you want it down here or here?
Either one's cool. Let's do up. Let's do up. It's all good. I'm just gonna tighten it into place.
Yeah, just to kind of keep it level-ish.
Nice. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus.
Oh god.
God.
Oh, you good, man.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm gonna be down there a little bit later to put this one on. So.
What's that? Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Oh, so you've already got it.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. I thought you were just gonna get it.
Oh yeah. No, I got definitely getting a butt lift today. I'm doing all that. Gonna debadge it, except for that Scat Pack B. I love that B. So.
Oh yeah, don't get rid of the B.
Oh no.
I'll rest it.
Yeah.
Especially that.
Yeah.
Makes me cringe a little bit.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing? Oh, yeah. Once you've done it once, after that, it's
Get
much
used to it.
easier.
Need me to hold it anywhere?
Maybe right here.
Right here on the edge.
Just keep it wrapped.
Alright. Right
Right
about here?
hole, yeah, perfect.
Alright.
That way the holes all line up right there. That one's always the most nerve-wracking.
Because it's so close to the finer edge. Yeah. Same thing on this side.
Yep.
Alright. It works, but I know it kind of gets like, on and off, on and off.
I'd rather, it's like, I'd rather take them on and off 15 times and get it level and straight.
That's true.
Or the other way around.
Exactly. Nice. Once again, guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Gonna put it right here for you guys. And an Instagram.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely follow them. Feel like a kid on Christmas watching the toys be made. Man. Straight clear.
Yeah, I need smoke. I need smoke.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
It's smoke. I mean, not dark smoke, but it's smoke.
Oh yeah, that works.
Yeah, it's pretty clear. Man, I'm gonna have to call them and be like, yo, I need a new one.
The gloss on gloss.
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's disappointing that half mine was not glossy. I'm gonna have to call them and be like, yo, buddy out.
Yes, sir.
Didn't send me the right one.
I can see it already.
I know,
it's
right?
beautiful.
Oh, God. I can almost see it done. It's not going in there yet, but it's almost done.
Oh yeah. Watching around here.
That's all you get with the stealth hardware.
Okay. Oh, just extra.
Different, yeah. Just a little thing that the screw sets into. It's just a different type of washer, really.
Okay. Yeah, the one on yours looks real good. So I was like, those look nice.
I mean,
these look good too, though.
Yeah, just a little different.
Yeah.
And then just easily tighten the rest of these down.
Okay.
Just to make sure it doesn't fly off on the interstate.
Yeah. 'Cause you ain't never coming off, guys, right? Oh yeah. It's hard for you guys to see on camera, but there you go.
Yeah.
Did a legendary job. Make sure you follow him again. Instagram, YouTube is gonna be everywhere.
Appreciate it.
Oh yeah. It's beautiful.
Once you get in the daylight too, you're like, oh yeah.
Oh, I can't wait.
Alright, we're good.
So I gotta get used to this.
Oh yeah.
It's nice. Definitely appreciate it, man.
No problem.